Hey all, welcome back to our channel Data Greek. This is the part 2 video of what is Kaggle Beginner's Guide. In the last video we have discussed in detail what is Kaggle and how to log in, and also we have discussed about the competitions. In this video we will be discussing about the remaining categories in Kaggle. Let's log into Kaggle and discuss in detail. The first category which we are going to discuss today is notebook. So when we go to the notebook screen, you can see the different notebooks which we have done. In that, some are private and some are public. So if you want to create a notebook, you can click the create button and create the notebook like this. Once you click the create notebook, this is a screen which we will be getting. In this you can name the notebook. There are many options available to save and open in collab, link to GitHub, and all those things. Okay, that's in the left hand side, and on the right hand side you can input through dataset or model, and below that you can see the output screen where after running the notebook we'll get the output. And there are many options like section accelerator and which language you need to choose and all the other things. Accelerator in Kaggle will be providing these all accelerators. In this, GPU will be of 30 hours per week and TPU is 20 hours per week. That are the GPU and TPU which we are getting for free. Let me show you one of the notebooks which I have already done. So I am just checking of the most votes and clicking the notebook. You can see the notebook like this. This is the markdown which I have given, and all the code will be like this. Code with the output. It's just similar to the Jupyter notebook which we are using for the data science. But in this case, most of the libraries, no need for us to pip install. It will be inbuilt, so it is very easy to use. Notebook also in Kaggle, we will be getting the upvotes. Regarding the upvotes and ranking system, we'll be discussing later. Now let's move on to the home screen and check the next category, that is datasets. This part of the Kaggle most of the people will be knowing because Kaggle is widely used to download the datasets. So how datasets are available in Kaggle? Many people, Kagglers, are uploading the datasets, and that's the reason people will be getting the datasets in public. So let's check the most voted dataset in my profile. Dataset will be, we need to give the title, subtitle, description, and about the file, source of the file, license, expected updated frequency. When we are giving all those details, the score of the dataset will be shown here, like it's a usability. This dataset is showing as 10 on 10 because some of the Kagglers have already created notebook using the dataset. So we'll be getting 10. If not, the maximum we can get is 9.41. So that's all about the dataset. Now let's move on to the next category of Kaggle, that is discussions. Discussions are basically forums where we can post the knowledge which we have. We can post as general comment, general post, general article, get started, question and answers, competition hosting, accomplishments, etc. In this, there are some rules which we need to follow. For example, it's not recommended to use AI softwares like ChatGPT and create a content and post in these discussions. So if you move on to the general discussion, you can see the discussions which I have already posted by the Kagglers. So in these discussions, people will be commenting it. In this particular discussion, there is no comment. So let's check the another discussion where people has commented. So for example, this one. This one is an article where he has posted about the deep learning, and people has posted it, and people can give the vote. You can upvote and they can downvote also. This upvoting and downvoting we'll be discussing in ranking, Kaggle ranking. So you can post all the knowledge which you have in Kaggle as an article. It's somewhat similar like a medium, but this is little bit organized. So that's it about the discussion. Now let us discuss about the ranking system in Kaggle. This is the Kaggle ranking for the competition, and you have ranking for dataset, you have ranking for notebook, and you have ranking for discussion. Currently, you can see the grandmasters who are ranked on top over here and their details. If you go in detail about the ranking, Kaggle progression system. In this page, you can see what are the categories in Kaggle. Okay, I have shown you this image before in the first video. Okay, this is the screen where normally the top performers Kaggle profile will look. So you can see that competition is a competition master, dataset expert, notebook grandmaster, discussion expert, like that. Okay, so you can see the gold medal, silver medal, and bronze medal. So let's see how the gold medal is awarded, silver medal, and all those medals are awarded. So first, whenever you log into Kaggle, you will be in a voice. After that, once you run a notebook, do a competition submission, make a comment, and give an upvote. I have discussed you previously the upvote and downvote, like and dislike. So if you complete all those three, all these four things, then you will be becoming a contributor. And next stage of this is expert. For becoming an expert in competition, you need to win two bronze medal, and in dataset it's 3 bronze medal, notebook it's 5 bronze medal, discussion it's 50 bronze medal. You will be wondering what is this bronze medal, how to get it, and all those things. Okay, the category for getting the gold medal for each category is different. That when you are coming down, it is explained over here. So in this we can see that master getting a master category what all are the medals requirement, and for grandmaster this is the requirement. So coming to the getting the medals. So if you're participating in a competition, to get a bronze medal you need to be top 40 for a team of 99 teams. That means 99 people, like team, or 99 persons have participated in a competition. Usually the competitions, it will be 1000 plus teams. So for getting a bronze medal it is always a top 10 percentage. Silver medal it's top 5 percentage. Gold medal it's top 10 plus 0.2 percentage. So that is for the competition. And if it is for the data set medals, bronze, you need to get 5 upvotes, and 5 upvote should be from a higher than novice. That means at least that person who is giving you upvote should be a Kaggle contributor. And next, for the notebook medals is like bronze 5 votes, silver 20 votes, gold 50 votes, 50 upvotes. And for the discussion it's bronze 1 vote, silver 5 vote, gold 10 votes. And also, in previously I have shown you the rankings where you can see who is the first, second, and all those things. That is being attained through some formulas that is been mentioned over here. We have seen all the details regarding the Kaggle platform. In these two videos, we have gone through competition, dataset, discussion, all those things. Hope this has helped you to understand Kaggle better. If you like the content, please comment, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you next time.